Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for June 13th, 2018. Today only at Seal a Psych, get the Icon Kit for free with any purchase of $50 or more and free shipping too. This is the new Pat McGrath Lab Sublime Skin Highlighting Trio, available June 21st at patmcgrath.com and June 28th at Sephora, alongside the rest of the collection, which includes 3 shades of Skin Fetish Highlighter, a buffer brush, and 4 new Lip Fetish Lip Balm shades. Zoeva has introduced the Screen Queen collection with glamorous packaging and red carpet shades available on their website now, $13 to $190. Pretty Vulgar says if you love their setting spray, you'll enjoy the sneak peek of their setting powder coming soon. Is Jared's Sneaky Peek a tube full of heart-shaped beauty sponges? Guess we'll find out soon enough. Waiting for the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette? It arrives June 19th on their site, $42. Finally, Coastal Scents is offering 30% off lip palettes. Hurry, the sale ends June 15th at 11 a.m. Eastern. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Look for Makeup Minute Extras on my Instagram. And don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.